Hi, welcome back. In previous video, we have seen how to attach the text to the path. And now in this video, we are going to see how to attach the images to the path. So first I will import the images. So just I will select these images like a bike, car, and this background, and just I will import this. And now first we'll drag this image into the timeline. And before that, we need to create a composition. So I will create the composition, full HD. And now we need to drag this image. So drag this, and now this image is bigger. So we need to fit into the comp. So just we need to press Ctrl Alt F. And now what the thing is, I want to create an animation of this bike and car along this path here. So first we need to create a path along this hillside. So make sure draw the path without selecting the image, or else I will log this. So now we have to create the path with the pen tool. So just I will select this pen tool and make sure turn off this fill and stroke. It depends. And now what the thing is, this image has to be attached to the path. So in order to do that, we need to open the shape layer and we need to go to the contents and select the path. And we need to select this path option and we need to press Ctrl C. And we have to copy this path and we need to paste onto the positions of this image. So I will select this position and we will paste this. And before pasting, make sure you change the anchor point here. As I explained in the previous video, when we paste the path onto the object will go and attach according to the positions of this anchor point. Means now suppose if I paste this anchor point will go and attach to the path. But what I want is, I want this wheel should be exactly to the base level of this mountain here. So before pasting, just we need to change the positions of this anchor point. So let's say we'll move here. And now we will select the position and just will press Ctrl V. And now see the bike has been attached. Now if you play, so the bike is animating along the path. But what we want is the bike has to be orient along the path here. So in order to do that, just we need to right click, transform, and click on this auto orient and click on this orient along the path. And the shortcut is Ctrl Alt O. So click on this. Now see the bike has been rotated according to the directions of the path here. So now if I play, so it's animating properly. And now we need to add the car image. So just I will select this and I will drag this and just will open the positions. And first of all, we'll scale this. And now we have to paste this. So before pasting, just we need to change the positions of this anchor point. So just I will change this anchor point like here. And now we will paste this. So select this and just Ctrl V. And now the bike and car are animating at the same position. Now what the thing is, just I want the car should be a little bit backside. So we need to change this timeline. And also I want to orient this vehicle. So just we can press Ctrl Alt O. So it is a shortcut here and just click on this. And now we can change the positions of these keyframes. So just we can drag this up to here. And now in this way, we can make an animation. And in case if you want to create any chopper animation, then we can download that. So we can import that chopper. So just double click. So here we have a green screen. So just I will import. And now we'll drag this footage into here. So this is a footage with a green screen. So what the thing is, this has been downloaded from the YouTube. So just I will drag this. I don't want this title here. So just with the selection tool, I will drag this layer. So now this is a chopper here. So the chopper is staying in the same position. We need to animate the positions. First of all, we need to remove the green screen. So if you want to remove the green screen, we have to select the footage and we need to go to effects, keying, key light. So after selecting this key light, and here in the effects control, we need to select the color which you want to remove. So when you select this layer, and now here you can see there is an option called screen color. Beside that, we can select the color by using this eyedropper. So just select this and you have to pick the color. So see now it has been removed the green screen, but the chopper is staying in the same position. We need to manually create the position animation. And also we need to change the directions of this chopper. So in order to change directly, we can right click, transform, and there is an option called flip horizontal. So click on this. Now it has been flipped. And now we can scale this. So, and just we will make a little bit of rotation. And now we will animate this chopper here. So just we'll place it back outside. So now we have to give the position animation for this chopper. So just we'll select this, create a position and turn on this position. And now we need to change the positions of this chopper here. So now it will make an animation. So see, we got this animation here. And now see, if you zoom in, so the vehicles are animating on the top of this fans here. So what the thing is, according to the logic, the fans has to be in the front of these vehicles here. So as this is a background, now all the layers are in the foreground. So the vehicles and the chopper is in the front of this fan. So what the thing is, we need to mask out this so that the fans will be on the top of these vehicles. So in order to do that, first we need to duplicate this background. So we need to press Ctrl D and just will place this on the top of this layers. And now the thing is, the image is in the top of this all the images. So we need to mask out. So we need to select this image and we need to use this pen tool and just will mask out. So just will select the fan and no need of selecting entire fan. Just you have to select the area only the vehicles are overlapping. So just we need to select this. And now you can see it has been masked out. So if you see, if I turn off this all the layers, and see now this is a fan which is in the top of these images here. So what I have done is just I have duplicated this image and I have placed onto the top layer and laterally have masked only up to the area where you want to see here. So in this way we can mask all the images, all the fans here. So by selecting only this image. So we no need of creating the duplicate. So we need to select this image and just we need to create a mask over here again. So just I will make a rough mask. So in this way, we can create the mask so that the vehicles will be on the backside of this fans here. So in this way, we can attach the images to the path. So that's it for this tutorial. See you in the next video.